unlisted. Why is it unlisted though? عشان اللي قبلي كان unlisted. Oh, what the hell happened? Wrong. Source gonna assault. Okay. Is that the name? Oh man. Infusion. How do I change it? Infusion. That mess with anything? I don't think so. Okay. We'll see. Oops, not that. No. Assembly information. Infusion. This is where I can edit this part. Infusion to Infusion. I mean, it's fine. This looks good to me, honestly. Yes. Why? I changed the name. Alright, fair enough. Project property. Locate the assembly name on the application tab. Really? Language. UID. Default icon. That is all. No. Advanced. Yep. Build events. Debug. I don't think this is correct. Nope. Fine. Okay. Save. And cancel. Build. Mate. Rebuild project. Sure. I don't think it did anything. Man, AI is so... No. They all say the same thing. Assembly name. Infusion 2. Services. Why did it lag? No. 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 Start project. Build event. No. Any CPU. That is all okay. Build is a folder. Advanced is fine. Ah, Mate. Okay, well, we fixed one thing. There we go. Okay. Now, back to settings 1.5F. So, just gonna, don't remember what I did. Okay. Like this. Nothing happened. Success. Transform value. Modifiers. Explain. 0.2 F plus multiplier. Plus my thing. Plus global multiplier. Okay. So maybe here was not. Although it made sense for me, but whatever. Because multiplier is here. So we do this and hope for the best. Should also add here fit new let's see it. Come on. I wanna see it. It's damaged. And nothing changed. So what? I think it would matter. LMG. Remove all. Infuse feather. Yep. Didn't think it would matter. Would love to know. Yeah, but wait. Mass times minus 50. What the? Is that a bug? Okay, buddy. At least. Okay. Feather. Minus 0.50. It's a multiplier. And multipliers was. It's. Okay, let's see if this running. Value. Okay, let's see. It either prints a lot of stuff or it doesn't, which would be scary actually. Okay, so negative multipliers don't work. Good to know. Good to know. Stop. It's printing a lot of stuff actually, which is good to see. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not gonna. It's working. I wish I could just. Times negative. Okay, another idea. Another one. Where is this used? That part. Transform thing. Transform stats for things, not pawns. Harmonize the stat. Okay. Okay. Which is what we're doing. Modifier is a list of stat mods. Is that a thing? It's a thing. It's a stat part. And we added the stat part. To wait, inject to things. No, not that. Stat def. That's with Infusion. Stat offset from gear. That looks relevant gear. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's for pawns. That's an overwrite. Request thing. Parents, that okay. Oh, it's created from stats. Okay, I see. I see what's going on. Transform value. Request thing. Man. Give me 1 second. Stat def. It's a regular stat def. When we go new on the stat thing. Okay. And then we do dot parts dot add the stat part, which is the new infusion for stat diffs. Yeah, okay. I see how it is. I should do the same. Do the same in weapon mastery. Let's skip that and do. Here we have a transform. We'll say if parent stat is stat def of mass. Okay. Let's do that. say, and do it here as well. Mass 4 and request the thing not equal null. Mass 4 thing request the thing def name is value Infusion before transform value. And then we'll do the same here and just say after build paste. Sorry. Go now. No. We can do the global after transform, I guess. But, man, we need to fix the thing. Run and gun caused an exception. Why though? Does this run during... Oops, I made a mistake. Big mistake. Let's do that. You. All right. Request for LMG mess 8.5. After transform, it becomes 4.25. That's so... I don't know, man. Oh, so it was my code that was causing this bug. I see, okay. Because, well... Why did it cause the bug? That's what I want to understand. We add it here plus our 1.0f. It's gonna be 2 point something, yeah. Should we replace this value with mine? Default is 1f. Yeah, I think so. I don't know, man. Does that miss anything on? It'll be like half plus 2. Make it 2.5, isn't it? What if we get the final value and applied by global multiplier? Would that work? Why are they adding on 1.5 to account for negative values? Maybe. But why not just multiply? Because 0.5 multiplier is like an extra. Okay. Well, I mean, in our case, we just multiply this by our global stats multiplier. I think now, yeah, that's fine. So let's see here. Like that's wrong. I have to account for negative multipliers. Oh man. No. That's wrong. And it's so confusing as well. If I have it at 1.5x, miss the like. this heart. Is it slow or am I slow? Okay. Lots of files, man. Should we separate them? Man. Okay, cool. I'll take it. So now, if I do 1.5, it's gonna go. Nah. Well, I mean, it's not my problem. This way, I'm just gonna do what I'm told. It's 1.5F. Okay, so I'm expecting even less weight, and I think I can test a couple of things. Yeah, I should be fine. See here. Let's see. Is that wrong? Am I crazy? It is wrong. It is wrong because string for stat, okay. Because we need to add it here as well, I think. We can we can do something like public float final multiplier, public float final offset, maybe. Okay, that's fine. Final multiplier equal multiplier time settings dot global stats dot value. Same for final offset equal offset Instead of recalculating, we save it, cache it in, and we can do here final multiplier. Right? We'll do here final offset, and here we can do U. There we go. Hopefully that fixes this part. This is the hard part anyways. Let's go. Why is it taking so much time? Also, I remember disabling Steam Cloud. So why is it synchronizing to the cloud? Don't know. I don't know. Load. Oh no. Why did it set them to 0? I don't... Let's try this again. We'll do public, damn it, actually private, I don't care, float, offset, get, return offset times the thingy, private float multiplier, get, actually this, that, delete 2, this is an M with a capital, and shorthand notice, boom, no return. And this is multiplier with a semicolon. Okay. And yeah, you're crying. Multiplier, offset, you. Hopefully that works. Let's see. Build. Let's not open Discord. Bad idea. Okay. Hopefully it works this time. Although... how do I cache it? Can I cache it? Yeah, this time it works properly, I think. Mass, yes, that looks good to me. Okay, is there a way to cache this value? Instead of recalculating... because it seems like something sets it. Apply to unless they use the gather and setters, I'm not sure. I mean, there has to be something that fails. Oh no, that's a struct. Very good. Maybe this is called once only or something, I'm not entirely sure. Fusion stat part is not a stat mod. Don't think we can cache it. I want to cache this calculation. Can I do that? Is it even worth it to do that? For now we'll just skip it. We'll continue. Because I'm confused. calls, get calls quite a lot. Get mod for stat, and then we populate the cache. We check if the cache doesn't contain the key. Illegible. Try and get the value. This one is tricky, actually. Mount is oh. Cool. I think this is the only part where we use the chain. Let me check. Yep. Rent. Okay. Chance. Also, if it's less than 0, if it's greater, we're okay. So why this check? Just do this. It already does it. I'm just gonna remove it. That's a waste. Worker.chance. Now, also, I have to do the same, but for now. Find all references. Yes, we have a lot. This dot amount. Create melee damage info. This is an apply damage amount. It doesn't refresh. Why? Amount. Create explosion. This amount. Where is this coming from? Wait. Oh, it's updating. These are okay. This is amount okay. Okay. Amount. I think I'm just gonna name it this dot amount of infusion. Same. Okay. Here we have this, and the amount here would be that. Okay, hopefully we're good. Let's go back to you. No. Yes, that should be correct. Close all tabs. Oh, pre-hit workers don't exist. Oh man, they're in another patch. Damn it. So I guess we test it. Explosive? Blazing. I love blazing. Create explosion of flame. That is so cool. Blazing 25% chance. I'm out. Okay. So that's create explosion. Let's go. Not you. Not you. Create explosion. Damage base, which is a worker. So we'll just log here before boom. This dot amount. This dot chance. We'll build it. We'll close. We'll copy and paste. Also, let's add one thing here. We need to merge the new global modifiers with pre-hit worker. Yeah, just so I can remember. Let's go dev quick. Spawn weapon with quality. Excellent. Move all. Infuse. Blazing. Right? It's blazing. Chance slash button. Just do it. Oh, I forgot these. Ugh. 1 second. Where are they? They're not here apparently. Where are they hiding? There they are. Boom. Boom. Build. Oh, go, no, yo. Let's do this. Oops, that was a mistake. Yeah, go, baby. Let's do this. 1 hit, that's enough. Nothing. What? Ah, that's in. Ah. Bad. On bullet hit. Yeah, right. So why after attack do explosion? And on melee cast, okay, sure. Kill them all. Nice, so before boom 0.4, 0.25. That looks good. Now let's set the multipliers in the settings to like 1.5 and copy and paste and boom, boom. Wait. Yes, excellent. We're done. Well, I mean, we're not done, but yeah. Gotta look. Where would that be? Do we add a new section? Or do we add them below? Did we get the .empty in? No. Wait. Tiers title. New empty. Oh, cool. Okay.
Just install GDX. I installed GDX.
Mاشي اوكي برافو عليك. Now let's do I think we get a label plus. Okay. What are we gonna call it? Alright, that looks good. Let's copy these. New grid, so there's the line. There's where the grid ends. Why did I name it modifier? Damn it. Well. Yeah, that looks good to me. Okay. Hopefully that works. We will never know. Just copy 1.6 here, thank you very much. Let's see if it saves. We'll do something like this. Quit. And do this. They save, excellent. Put them back to the original. Let's do some testing. Common worker doesn't have a worker. Worker. Poisonous. Okay, buddy. Let's test them all. Wilford, my man. Is that guy blind? All of them are blind. Oh. Weird scenarios, but okay. Shooting while blind, very interesting. Come on, give me gun. Gun, dude. Dude, doesn't gun. Max skill shooting on this dude. Legend, what's a legend? That's a book, I think. Okay. Poisonous. Okay, that works. Next. Fiery. Cool. Chance 0.2. You know what would be smart now that we have the option? Chance multiplier. Boom. Let's just it burns. Melee. Melee blunt. What's the blunt weapon? These mace, I think. Stab. Spiked. Okay. Infuse with spiked. Get it. Heal. Random injury. Ah, that's where they got it. Cool. Spawn our elephant, bro. Hit the elephant. It don't look good. Please, bro. Crack. I should see a step. I don't see a step. Crack. Bruce. Bruce. Deals 60% extra sharp damage, doesn't increase damage for other similar. What? Ow. Bruise, crack. Don't see. Mace head. Apply damage, stab. Let's just apply extra damage, run. Apply damage. Melee impact on melee cast. Both are true. I don't know the... don't see a stab though. Okay, 1 sec. Save testing. I'll have to log it in. Log.message. Creating damage info. Create melee damage info. This .def, which is step. Target to take damage. Target is a thing. Let's see. This dot. No. This .def name. Because I am not even sure anymore. What? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Come on. Don't have all day. It's 2 AM. Give me the elephant. Shh. No. Bet you bet. Hit the elephant. Show me the logs. Creating extra damage, stab. I don't see. Bruise, mace head. Don't see a stab though. Target to take damage, which is in thing. If destroyed, if damage does not equal null, pre-apply damage. Map held, def worker dot apply. Is that what it does? Injury, man. Step. Come on, really? Cut. Verb melee. Wow. Damage worker stab. Well, let's check the code anyways. Choose hit part. Based on damage and pawn. Okay. Apply special effects. Damage worker add injury. Apply. Hi Sosvo, how are you? Apply to pawn. And what does choose hit part? Is that just an override? Yes, okay. I'm all good. I'm all good. Just banging my head against, I guess, my keyboard, trying to figure things out. And I see, you just downloaded Infusion 2. Is it working? Because I have no idea. I'm trying to test it now. I should probably, since somebody actually joined, I should lower the audio. Oh, it's already down. Maybe. Yeah, that's better. Oh, man. Okay. So I just create you. Let's try it. Was it here? Yeah, okay. To an empty weapon, you have to find a, what is it called? Wait. You have to find what infuser. You have to find this item, which is an infuser empty. You can use that to extract, wait, let me show you. Go away. I feel like, wait 1 second, the music is still too loud for some reason. Yeah, I think that's fine. So you have to find these, I think, from quests, trade ships, stuff like that. Once you find one of them, you can extract infusions from weapons like this. Then you have like a portable infuser, I guess. Has failed. Oh, so sometimes it fails as well, and that's fine. Let's try again. Oh, what did I do? Whatever. Infusions. Hopefully this time it works. Yes, so now you have like a portable infuser. You can take that, whatever infusion, put it on your favorite weapons, but you have to find that first. And it's not craftable, it's like a rare item by design, I guess. Like that was before I actually took on working on the mod. So what was I doing? Let's see here. But how did you find the stream? It's like so weird. I thought nobody would find this. What about the quality infuser? You mean these ones? Wait. YouTube. Okay. I guess. Where was? Okay, wait. It's one thing. Infuse. If I can type. I believe these are just. They don't do anything. Like the quality ones. They're like. Basically, once you extract an infusion from like a weapon or whatever, the empty infuser turns into a quality infuser. But if you try to spawn it from dev mode, it's gonna spawn in with an empty infusion. Maybe I should actually change that and make it spawn with like a random infusion. Yeah, that might be cool. I'll add it to my things. When you spawn an empty infuser, should spawn with a random infusion. I legit downloaded the mod 5 minutes ago and boom. Yeah, but okay, I mean, I get downloading the mod, but what made you search on YouTube for Infusion 2 or, you know? That's the part that I don't get. Wait, I was testing something, 1 second. Oh my god. Okay, so we'll say wanted to see some review or something, but I'm just testing myself. I see. Okay, okay. Well, lucky you. You found the the man himself, the one working on Infusion. Oh man. What do I want to do? I want to say if record the def. No. Create melee. That's from the. Okay, if that def is equal to stat def. What are they called? Worker class, but that's not a def. Def name is stab. Okay, and the type. 1 second. The type is damage def. Okay, I see. I see. I see. Damage def off. Dot stab. Else we'll do the regular. Let's create actually no. Do that. That's Chinese to me. I can only do XML. It's yeah. I guess I understand. It's not that bad once you get used to it, but yeah, it's for the general population, it's Chinese. I just love how you said it. Worker equal new damage worker stab. So if I do that, I can create, okay, and I can say worker dot apply the damage and the thing. So the damage is my damage info. The thing is record to target. We'll just test this. Oh. I'm gonna learn from your stream? Probably not. I mean, maybe. I'm not even sure, honestly. I don't know why I'm streaming. I thought it'd be fun. And then, like, I streamed a couple of times. Nobody came. And I thought, okay, maybe maybe nobody's interested in this type of content. Stab damage. Yes. I guess that's enough. Did I change anything in the XML? I don't remember. Let's see. I wish I could do real mods, so I'm very interested. I'm not sure if the stream will help you without like basic programming knowledge. I'm not sure if you'll understand what I'm doing. It may be. I'm not sure, honestly, but obviously you're free to watch and learn. Even even I sometimes don't know exactly what I'm doing. Crack and bruise. Are these stab damage? Yes. So wait. Crack, really? Okay. Mace, but I don't see like. Oh, maybe the damage is not getting recorded. I see. Is it not getting recorded? No, but I should see it here at least. Okay. So confused. These are all mace related damage. Okay. Workers to apply damage. That's a random range. Armor penetration. So damage info doesn't take the weapon? It does take the weapon. Where is it? That's the caster. Damage def, load amount, armor pen, angle, instigator, okay. Alright. You learned coding with Rimworld? No, not. I'm a huge fan of programming in general. Like, I think I learned coding at like, I don't know, maybe 15, 16 years old. Since I laid my eyes on programming, and I'm in love with it. I love programming in general. It's fun. So I learned way before Rimworld, and I got into a computer science university and everything. So no, I work on. I guess I work full time as a programmer, software engineer, and then in my free time I do mods. Because it's programming, and I enjoy programming. Sometimes I play, but not too much. Okay, so this is cool, but it didn't do what I wanted it to do. Damage info angle, body region. Apply additional damage info settings. Body part outside undefined. Does that mean... But I think anybody can learn programming if they're really interested. It's not that hard. Yeah, at least that's what I think. Okay. I guess we have to check the code itself because I don't know. That's the you apply to pawn damage. Apply damage to part. Apply all damage. I don't know. Okay, so gets damage info. Apply is the one, alright. Damage worker, add injury. Flame extinguish. Is that called anywhere? 10 references. Thing. Okay. Take damage, okay. And is that called anywhere? 87 times. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Bullet. Oh, I like this. Bullet, take damage. How do you create the damage? Damage amount, armor penetration. What about like the body parts? Body part is after damage amount. Okay. Armor pen, angle, launcher, which is the instigator. Null for the body part is it's a null. Okay. Equipment def, which is the weapon. Yes. Damage source, thing or unknown. Intended target. Instigator guilty. All of that, okay. Well, I mean... I guess we check for melee. Melee. Attack. Verb, melee. Attack. There was another one as well, I don't remember the name. Attack damage, yes. Adjusted, okay. I don't see new damage info. Definition, amount, armor pen. Angle is -1F. Caster is okay. Source is the weapon. Okay, I see. And what are we doing in the mod? Are we doing a body part null? Def amount, which is randomized. Armor pen, that's fine. Angle, that's fine. Yeah, I think we're doing everything correctly. Why don't I see a cut or a stab or anything? Wait. Drop you. Give me a sword. Whatever, I don't care. Our training elephant comes in. Ah, now we get cuts. Do we get stabs as well? So, yeah. I tried vampiring infusion, doesn't seem to work. Oh, really? Let me try it. I am testing all the infusions right now, so that's it's a good opportunity. But I believe it works. Let me check. It's just, it doesn't, I don't think it steals a lot of health, but let me make sure. Drop this. Infusion. Remove the bad one. Heal, vampiric. Amp. Where's the elephant? Hit me. Okay. Missed, that's fine. Ah, it doesn't work. Yeah, you're right. I'm not getting any health back. Although I see this healing icon, but I guess... Okay, wait, let me check what it does. Vampiric. What it does. Blood loss. In sequence, okay. Blood loss. Reduce severity, blood loss. Heal caster. Heal caster. Wait, let's check heal caster. That's a very low amount, but okay. And maybe it's like percentage. Wait, where is heal caster? No, I don't want that. Close. Heal caster. Against what it does is 0.075. Okay, so it heals a random injury, which is the base damage times the amount. I feel like that's a very low number. How much does that heal? How much damage am I doing? Wait, can I see? Do I have damage numbers? No. Don't I have damage numbers? Hit. I don't have damage indicators. Show damage indicators for pawns. Oh, it's only show. What? What do you mean? I don't see a number. Is it bugged? Oh, it killed. Okay. It's a 7.5%. Yeah, it just heals one random injury, and it's also like 7.5% of your base of like whatever damage you did with your weapon. So I feel like it's maybe like it's extremely low. I need to check the numbers. Why is she no heal? Why doesn't she heal? Oh, because she can't heal anymore. Okay, I see. Let's try this again. Where's the elephant? I should have... Okay, it's fine. Infusions. I just want to see how much damage am I doing. Can I see that? Vampiric. If I can see that, that would be great. I can't see my damage, can I? Even if I like... Ah, okay, I'll have to log the damage. So is this mod not working then? Should I delete it? I got this specifically for neutral faction. That's whatever. Okay. I'll just log my damage here, my damage, and see how much we're healing. Okay. Base damage times that. Let's log here. Base damage is that. Also, I think I might have messed up something in the configuration. That's the chance. That's fine. That's fine. I'll leave it. And amount to be healed, which is this. Amount to be healed. And let's do one more. Percentage. Are you using the toggleable overlay? No, I'm not using that. Not sure what that is, but I'm not using it right now. Percentage is this dot amount, right? So, and then we check if it has a natural healing injury. That's fine. We get all the injuries, and why did we do the check twice? I don't quite understand, but okay. And to say if the injury is... Okay. Let's just see what the numbers come up with, because I feel like the number is just too low to actually heal. Did I do something wrong? Infusion 2, oops. This one, that's fine. Copy the assembly. Okay, Infusion. You, Vampiric. Get that. Get the elephant. Boom. What are we healing? Damage, base damage is -1. What? Wait, I'm not even healing? Why is the base damage -1? Is that... Wait, where is it? Heal caster. Base damage is -1, huh? Where's this? Melee records. Okay. I mean, it looks fine to me. Is it not calculating the base damage properly? I'm doing damage. -1. Why is it... I'm so confused. Is it not being calculated? Okay, wait. Base damage is -1. And I'm assuming it's here. Let's log it here. Base damage. Melee. Heal caster melee hit. Okay. And we'll also log it in harmonize verb melee. Get adjusted melee. Maybe this one is not calculating verb props. Okay, let's do a log of this. Log. Melee damage in patch, whatever. I think this function, which is like, which is get adjusted melee damage, is not calculating the damage correctly, but I'm not 100% sure. We'll see. I also have to see what is the Rimworld implementation for how they calculate damage, because I feel like this, it returns 0 or default damage for melee. I don't like this implementation, but we'll see. Need to be implemented based on your damage. Wants damage calculation. For now, returning a basic damage amount. Okay, sure. I think I clicked the wrong button there. Yes. Let's try this again. Gear. And not this. Remove. Infuse. Vampiric. Okay. The elephant. Boom. Heal. Logs. Yeah, melee. It's being calculated completely wrong. This thing is not it. This is not calculating correctly. So where is it getting the melee? It's okay. Now we check Rimworld's code for this. How does it calculate damage? It does do some sort of adjusted damage melee amount, which is a public verb properties. Okay. Verb props, which is coming from the verb. Okay. And then adjusted armor penetration. Okay, I like this. But this is happening. Wait, when is my function executing? My function is executing post apply melee damage to target. So in the post there should be a result, hopefully. Not this. It does return a list of results. And what I should do with these results is just maybe add them up or something. Wait 1 second. We do base damage here, but we don't do... wait. Heal caster again. Is there anything related to armor pen here? No? Okay. So we'll... man, that's quite... Okay, I need to look at the original code again. So why are there multiple damage infos? If there's extra melee damages, if tool, okay. Surprise attack melee damage, that's fine. For extra damage. Extra damage is... surprise attack. I don't know what a surprise attack is, but okay. Okay, so there might be extra damage. That's fine. But mainly what I'm interested in... extra melee damage adjusted for armor penetration. Okay. How is the damage calculated? Adjusted damage amount. Okay. Number. And then it's created with this. Why don't we... Okay, I see. If that's the case, why are we creating our own... Heal caster. Okay. Okay, I feel like we should, for now, this returns a list of innumerable damage info. Okay. So my result is gonna be that patching. No, patching. Injections result __ result. Okay, to get the result, and we'll add here the same innumerable damage info, damage result. Can we say that? Okay, I can save it as null. Public U. Fine. Done. Okay. So we know this is bad. Let's just leave everything in. Just add damage result is the result. Like that. And then we go to a couple of things. We need to modify all of them actually. That's fine. So here we don't do record database damage because that's wrong. We'll do private void calculate total melee base damage from an innumerable damage info damage results. I should have named it. Man, okay. Yeah, that's makes sense. Damage results like that, and then here, I know here I'm lost. Here damage results, and then in heal caster We will do... It should return like a float maybe. So float total damage is 0. And then for each one of these damage instances, we'll say total damage plus equal damage dot damage. Just name it damage results. Does that have damage? Amount integer. Yeah, that works for me. Amounts. Yeah. Okay. So it's an integer, but it's fine if it's a float. Yeah, thank you, Salzvo. Good night. Turn total damage. There we go. I just want to see... Apply melee damage theme, take damage from an item, which is the result. Okay, so how does armor penetration do? Factor. Modify damage taken. Total damage dealt. That's cool. That's a number. It's calculated probably. I hope so at least. Yes. Victim hit points, gen math random number. What about armor penetration? Does that come into play? Armor penetration. That's in damage worker. Not quite what I wanted. Okay. Take damage. That's a damage result. I don't care about that. I care about just calculating how much damage. Apply the damage, okay. Total damage. Yeah. That's okay, fine. Num is based on a couple of stuff, but I don't see armor penetration being a factor. Damage worker. Maybe in other damage worker. Like stab maybe. Armor. No. Cut. Armor. Oh man, armor doesn't count for one. Special effects. Armor. Deflected. Okay, I like that. If damage result, dot deflected. Damage result, apply damage to part. Okay. Damage propagation. Apply small pawn damage propagation. Let's see that. Get exact part information. Armor utility, there we go. Get post armor damage. Yeah, I see how it works. Do we care about armor negating damage? Not sure. Do we care about armor negating damage? That's a good question. Okay, I see how it is. So there is a damage result here. We could headshot wounded, total damage dealt. I hope that we can take that instead of yeah. Okay, I see. So we are in apply melee to target, which is it this one? Apply melee to target. Yeah. So we have this actually. We have the damage result with us. We don't have. Okay. We have you because that's after. So this is a damage result. And it's only singular damage result. Now we go back. Here. We pass the singular. And I guess we... Or we... Well... It's fine if we keep it in, I guess. We'll just pass in total damage dealt. There we go. This is the base damage. For that, we don't need it. Don't need that function. Just need to output this. Oops, what happened there? Okay, bullet. I've tested bullet and it should be working. Comp quality, no. Verb, yes, verb. Verb reflection. We'll just... Is it using the same function? Yep, it's using the same terrible function. Alright. Try cast. Is that a postfix? Okay. I'll just check this one out later. For now, exit Rimworld, build Infusion 2. Let's see here. Let's make sure again from with this calculation. Okay, this returns a damage result, and I'm having a postfix on this, so I have that. I can send it in. Right, let's see. Testing. Here. Boom. I should remove these images. Yep. you're not you. Shh, wait. I need an infusion. Need to remove it first. Vampiric. Where's my test subject? Let's go. Okay. Hit me. There we go. Yes, now it's working. Wait. Let's heal a bit. Yes, excellent. Very small amount of healing, but it does heal. Good to see. Good to hear. Okay, next. Let's... maybe that also fixes the other bug that I was trying to fix. 1 second. What was it again? Yeah, the spike wasn't doing any damage. Possibly because of the same issue. Spawn an elephant. Hit him. Human fist. That is not what I expected. There we go. Okay, good. That's a good fix. So now we also check... did it apply the thing twice? Wait. Okay, good to see. The verb, yeah? Try cast next burst. Does that also run? Burst shots. I think this is for burst weapons. On hit after attack record. Wait, melee attacks can burst if is melee. Subclass of type melee, base damage get adjusted melee. Okay. Wait a second. Log message burst melee. Did I adjust anything here? Wait. Yeah, that's fine. These are fine. Burst melee. These are fine. I guess we don't need the damage. Should we send it? We'll send it. We'll keep it. That's fine. Doesn't hurt. These are for the global modifiers. Okay, let's do this. Burst melee. Log message. Burst melee. Burst melee. Just... okay. We'll add the base damage here. Yes. Let's go. Hopefully that fixes things. Load the game. I really hope burst melee is in the thing. Elephant, my man. Burst melee is a thing. Why? Oh my god. Wait. Burst melee -1. Melee damage. Okay. But I believe, even though it ran, but it didn't actually go melee. That's logged, and if because the damage is 0, so it doesn't count for melee. I feel like I need to turn it off for melee. Let's... that's a postfix for TriCast? That's a cast, okay. That's quite hard. I think for the time being, let's turn off melee. Because I am so afraid, honestly. Is melee. False. To do fix melee. Actually, no. I'm just not gonna edit here. Or was it? Both. Not. Try cast next burst shot. It's okay. I understand the point of this implementation, but it's... come on, man. It's like questionable. Burst melee. Okay, we need to push this fix. I think for now, burst melee is real, but is there anything cast? No. Cast on melee cast false. So the author was controlling it. Don't do that on melee cast. What? Why not make it the default? Man. Okay. Have I changed any? So, well... I guess we fix for now. We fix the try next burst shot thing. But in here we don't have the damage ready. Do we? Verb. Don't think we do. Try cast next burst shot. Local info. I think this might just, yeah, it does things. Just, yeah, we don't have damage here, so I'm very tempted to just turn it off. I think we can calculate the damage here. Okay. Let's just check for other cast on melee impact false. On melee cast false. What's the point? What? Apply damage on melee falls, on impact falls. So when does it apply the damage? On melee impact. On melee cast. What the? Okay. I think for now we just gonna have to rewrite the whole mod. Okay. We disable this patch if we can. Because this needs a bit of a rework here. Yeah. Just disable the whole thing and leave this for here for now. And then we have to go, like, now that we understand the system, we can just search for hit worker. Yep, here we have nothing. Hit worker, apply damage. Blunt 500% extra blunt damage. So I don't quite understand the point of turning both of them off. That means it never happens. So we'll turn on melee impact true. We'll continue. That's poisonous for on any weapons. Wait, I have... it's a ranged upgrade, I see. And the author doesn't want it to, I see. Why is it a range upgrade? That's so weird. Okay, I see how it is. It's still... Let's just keep going. Okay, might need to turn it off as well. Any weapon. On melee cast falls, that looks good to me, okay. Apply damage, and that's on melees. Melee cast falls, that looks good as well. Spiked, melee cast falls, looks good. Stun, taunting, that's for melee. But this is so confusing. Because it doesn't happen either on melee. So this one is wrong. I feel like it should be on melee impact true. Okay. This one is just weird. I'm just gonna ignore it. Any weapon. Inverse stat scaling. We'll leave this as is for now. I think we're good here. Let's search. So if that's for rare melee. And that happens on both. Unless like apply headef or headef, I don't... Doesn't have an after... It does have an after attack. I don't get it. Reduce severity. And throw flick. I'm gonna leave it in for now. Melee piercer transfusion. Yeah, we need to do a whole thing here. Apply damage, that's for melee, so good. Good, okay. Yeah, we just patched in, it's fine. Apply damage for melee. Piercing. Okay, looks good. Bomb. Melee bomb, okay. Stun on melee, impact falls, but on cast. Just gonna say melee impact, true. Next. Bullet. Concussive. Whatever. Explosive on a ranged, that's cool. Piercing ranged. Stab on melee falls. I get it, okay. Create explosion, thermal. So why not on melee falls here? I have no idea. That's fine. Bullet. Toxic buildup. Alright, looks good to me. Ranged rare weapon, that's on both of them. Yeah, okay. That looks good. Target sequence, and this is on a melee weapon. Heal caster. Yeah, looks okay. This is the caster. And that's on the target, I'm assuming. Reduce severity is on yourself. That's range and AMP. Disrupting. Okay, cool. That's suppressive. Not on melee because it's a range, that's fine. Bullet. It's a volatile. Does two things, explosion and flame. Cool. No, on melee off. Weird, but okay. We'll leave it in. Blazing on melee impact. That looks good. Critical. On melee impact is false. Overwhelming melee impact. Surging. EMP, alright. Vampiric, this is done that we fixed. We don't need to check this. Disrupting. EMP, which is are we back to where we were? Suppressive. Yeah, I think volatile. I think yep, we're good. Let's push this fix for now. Alright, let's see. The name. True for stun, that's fine because that's a melee. Same here. These are like rare.xml. Line 520, just making sure. These are melee thingies. Yeah, so why are they off on both of them? I don't quite understand. Because Wayne. But we on melee. Melee cast false because we have nothing. You stun before you hit him. I don't think that makes sense, but okay. Where was it again? Here. Lines 374. This is it. Yeah, melee cast false. 10% chance to stun, and that's a melee. Yeah, okay. This is fine. This is fine. Don't need that. This is the comment. We need to remove the logging that we did. So goodbye, you. This is fine. This is all good. Yep. Good. Fine. Remove logs and create explosion. Create explosion. Healcaster. Ah, these we need to remove. I guess we don't need this anymore. Alright. What else do we have? Are you really? Use severity, that's fine. Sequence, I think that's correct. Settings, then use settings. And stat mod for the multiplier, that's good. So add global multiplier settings. Fix melee infusions. Not calculating base damage correctly. We should also bump our versions. So that's gonna be a 2.0 because we added a new feature. And also in our XML file. .xml. Save that. What else did we do? Fix. I want to get this patch. Changed my mind. Don't want to mess it up. We'll just. Yeah, but yeah. We'll just disable it for all melee things for now. We'll leave it on for. Let's just review again. I think common doesn't have a thing. That's fine. Melee. A hit worker. Okay. Uncommon really quick. Let's start from the beginning. Apply damage, burn. That's on melee, so melee cost false. That looks good to me. Melee. Wait. Okay, looks good. Guess we don't need this because it's by default true, I hope. Let's see. Apply damage on melee cast. By default is true, so it's fine if we leave it out. And that's a ranged weapon. Becomes useless basically. Stupid enchantment, honestly, but whatever. Poisonous on any weapon. On melee cast false, that looks good. I wonder if that means it applies twice on ranged. We can say, wait, where's that? Apply hedef. If self casts. We can't disable. Really? Yeah, we're gonna have to test that. For now, I think for now it's a good enough bug fix, but okay, fine. We'll leave it in for now. But we need to add a note that check if Ranged infusions are firing twice. I think we're done here. We can check this. Okay, that's a rare melee. Apply on target. I think that happens twice, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Because of that thing. So, we'll just say on melee casts is false. When it hits, you do that. Does reduce severity care about melee casts? Yes, it does apparently. When on melee cast, okay. So, yeah, but on melee cast, don't do it twice. Throw fleck, although it doesn't matter, we should check. Yes, it does care. Cool. So that's done. That's a melee impact false. That's a melee impact false for explosions. And piercing melee. That's a melee impact, melee cast false. Why are some of them having a melee impact? I don't know. It's fine. If one of them is off. That's all good. Melee cast false. Create explosions. That's a rare melee impact false. That's fine. This one of them had to be true. It's a rare melee base enchant, so it makes sense. Actually, since it's true by default, we can remove that. Concussive, it's a ranged. Yeah, that's the stupid enchant. That's fine. Explosive bomb on ranged. That's cool. Don't care. Do I not care? Yeah, just for now I don't know the answers. I'm not gonna change it. Projectile bullet on melee, and that's because this is a ranged. Okay. Explosion, thermal. That's a ranged. No melee disabling, but okay. Toxic buildup. Wait, and that's for both weapons. Melee cast is disabled. So why isn't it disabled here? I have no idea. I'm just for the safety. Put it here. I think explosions care about melee. Hopefully. Yeah, they do. And melee cast, yeah. Okay. That's a melee false, okay. That's a crit melee false. That's a melee thingy false, that's fine. Surging. Melee false, good. Sequence of blood loss. Apply heat if I think we agreed that this disables the thing, right? Yep. Melee cast false. Reduce severity. Cares about melee. It does. Melee cast false. Heal caster. It's a melee weapon thingy, right? Yeah. Oops. gonna delete that last part. Healcaster. It's a healcaster. I mean, we'll check anyways. Okay, so it has both. Just, I mean, yeah. Throw flick. It does care about melee cast. Excellent. Then we have that. That's a legendary ranged. I'd like to disable it for melee, but for now it's fine. Ranged legendary, disabled for melee. Ranged, right, we're good. Okay, and we updated the versions. I think we should do, like, we changed Vampiric, right? On Legendary. Yeah, let's do one more test with Vampiric on Legendary. Just to check that everything is good. Hopefully. And we'll do bye you, Empiric, you, equip, elephant go. Seems to be working. Okay, let's see the health. Can't see here. Yeah, okay, it works. Okay, good. We're good. Let's get out of here. All right. We'll just build one more time. Why did it succeed? I have no idea. Let's check the code again. The code for... because I reverted this. Yeah. This, I reverted that. Yep. Actually, that change is not even necessary. Discard. Yep. Discard that. Just verb is same as before. Good. Legendary, we've modified Vampirics. Some things here, that's fine. Settings, yes. Version update. The damage result, that's fine. More settings, that's fine. Damage result is okay. Global, yep. That's good. Looks good. Yeah. I think that's okay. 1.2.0. Yes. And yes, okay. Let's push these changes. And also upload them. Whew, man. That's a lot of work. No. Update. Right. Let's do this. History. That's version 1.2.0. Save, exit. And rename, yep. This looks good to me. Check that out. Russian guy. Done. And I think we're done for today. I don't know if anybody's watching, but goodbye to if there's anyone watching,